Hey guys, in today's video we are going to destroy Villa Gordon with this ball. Let's get into it. Also, if you want to, you can like and subscribe. It's always free. You can change if you want to. I'll pin the mods in the description down below soon. Is that fire on my ball? I think so. Who cares? How is my ball broken already? No, I have to... Holy forks! Oh! I got scared. Dumb scared. Revenge of the ball is coming. Is that all iron? Or like steel? I don't hope so. Oh my gosh, I'm going to implode if this doesn't break the house. It's almost finished. I can fly too. It's cool. Time to get rid of that little house. Hey guys, should I do a Indiana Jones video with this ball and chase somebody down with it? It sounds kind of fun. Go to that pillar. Okay. That single pillar is holding it all up, I think. Oh no, it isn't. Oh, that thing is holding it all up. Finally. Give up, house. Just give up, house. You won't survive the consequences of the stone ball. Yes, good. Terminating it. Time for the car dealership something thingy. I don't know. And now it's all my food for the ball. Did you know that Teardown was made in Sweden? That's why it has those local teardown services. Because America doesn't have those words. And everybody does. Oh, there's a house there. Oh, what the fort? Am I flying up? Okay, that's good. I can destroy this now. Okay. Now it's time to get rid of this. Bro, this ball is annoying sometimes. Oh, great. A freaking bomb is there. Yeah, I'm making a video. I've actually watched the background movie, The Sweet Fire, in my TV. It was pretty good, I guess. Kinda overrated. This ball is annoying. Finally, time to go to this one. Yes, good. Go there. Big ball. Stupid ball. Won't drive perfectly. Only the lag spike. But I'm fine. Why won't it go through here? See, Mom, it's not even that hard. Oh, for fort's sake. Why is it lagging, spiking? Anywho, let's continue. What am I getting stuck on? I don't see it. Is the support beam it's too strong? I will come back to this house for revenge later. But I have to first eat this one. Oh boy, it's fallen down. Go there. Come on. Yes, go. Yes. Yes, good, perfect. No. Forward. Yes, good. Yes, perfect. No. Not perfect. Yes, perfect. Strike! Come on, destroy it. Yes. Yes, finally. Now we return house. I'll be back to those two later, but not today. Sadly. Stupid ball, go there. Hit that van. Go in there. Good, sorry. Go on the roof, hit the garage, and the car. Yes, perfect. Also, thank you for subscribing to me, it means a lot to me. Ball, go eat that building, or I will implode you. Works every time. Yes. Ball, stop spinning so hard. Stop spinning too fast. What a fart. What a fart. Go there. Ball, go to that garage. Why do you jump over things? Yes, W. Come on, ball. This is your favorite food. Cast. What's that called again? I forgot. Oh, that house is mine to eat. Holy fling. What's in the way? There's nothing in the way. Oh, it's the steel. It's the, oh my, it's the iron. The steel coil. Oh, I don't know. That house is down. Let me see. You can see everything is down. Yeah. Thank you for watching, guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe. You can change it if you want to. It helps me a lot. Bye.